Bluefin tuna, with their rich, buttery flesh, are prized around the world. This fish is not just a meal, it's an experience, a delicacy that has captured the hearts and palates of many. The unique texture and flavor of bluefin tuna make it a sought-after ingredient in various culinary traditions. From high-end sushi restaurants in Tokyo to trendy bistros in New York, the demand for this fish is immense. Chefs around the globe showcase their skills by creating exquisite dishes that highlight the natural beauty and taste of bluefin tuna. Whether it's served as sashimi, sushi, or a gourmet entree, bluefin tuna remains a symbol of culinary excellence. This demand, coupled with overfishing in the wild, has led to a steep decline in bluefin tuna populations. The once abundant species is now facing the threat of extinction, prompting urgent calls for conservation and sustainable practices. Overfishing not only endangers the species but also disrupts the marine ecosystem, affecting countless other marine life forms. To meet the global appetite, aquaculture or fish farming has emerged as a vital solution. By cultivating bluefin tuna in controlled environments, we can reduce the pressure on wild populations and ensure a steady supply of this prized fish. Aquaculture offers a sustainable alternative that balances demand with ecological responsibility. Korea, with its advanced technology and long history of marine expertise, has become a major player in bluefin tuna aquaculture. The country's innovative approaches and commitment to quality have set new standards in the industry. Korean fish farms are equipped with state-of-the-art technology that ensures optimal conditions for the growth and health of bluefin tuna. Korean fish farmers are known for their innovative techniques and dedication to producing high-quality fish. Their meticulous care and attention to detail result in bluefin tuna that rivals their wild counterparts in taste and texture. These farmers are not just producers, they are stewards of the marine environment, working tirelessly to create a sustainable future for bluefin tuna. Their success has helped alleviate pressure on wild stocks while meeting the ever-growing demand for this culinary treasure. As a result, we see a positive impact on wild bluefin tuna populations, giving hope for their recovery. Consumers can enjoy their favorite dishes with the assurance that they are supporting sustainable practices. The story of bluefin tuna is one of balance, innovation, and a shared commitment to preserving a global delicacy for future generations. Korea's journey into tuna farming began in the late 20th century as wild tuna populations dwindled. Recognizing the need for sustainable solutions, Korean scientists and entrepreneurs invested heavily in research and development. They focused on developing efficient and environmentally responsible methods for raising bluefin tuna in captivity. Today, Korea boasts numerous large-scale tuna farms, primarily located in its southern coastal waters. These farms utilize sophisticated monitoring systems and cutting-edge technologies to optimize fish health and growth. The industry provides employment for thousands of Koreans and contributes significantly to the country's economy. Korea's success in tuna aquaculture serves as a model for other nations seeking to develop sustainable seafood practices. Breeding bluefin tuna in captivity presents a unique set of challenges. Unlike many other fish species, bluefin tuna are highly migratory and require vast spaces to thrive. To replicate these natural conditions, Korean farmers use large, netted enclosures placed in the open ocean. These enclosures provide ample space for the tuna to swim and grow. Spawning, the process of fish reproduction, is carefully controlled within these enclosures. Farmers monitor water temperature and light conditions to mimic the natural cues that trigger spawning. Once the eggs are released and fertilized, they are collected and transferred to specialized hatcheries. Here, the larvae are nurtured and cared for until they are large enough to be transferred to larger grow-out cages. Feeding bluefin tuna in captivity is a resource-intensive process. Bluefin tuna are voracious predators, and their natural diet consists primarily of smaller fish, squid, and crustaceans. To replicate this diet, Korean farmers use a combination of wild-caught and farm-raised fish. They are constantly researching and developing more sustainable feed options to reduce the industry's reliance on wild fish stocks. Feeding times are carefully calculated to ensure optimal growth and minimize waste. Sophisticated underwater cameras and sensors allow farmers to monitor the tuna's feeding behavior and adjust feed amounts accordingly. Maintaining water quality is crucial, as uneaten food and fish waste can degrade water conditions and harm the tuna's health. Section 5. Harvesting the bounty techniques and timing. Harvesting bluefin tuna is a carefully orchestrated process that requires precision and expertise. The fishermen must work in perfect harmony, each knowing their role and executing it flawlessly. This ensures that the fish are handled with the utmost care, minimizing stress and potential damage to the valuable catch. Timing is critical, as the tuna must be harvested at peak condition to ensure the highest quality meat. This involves careful monitoring of the fish's growth and health, as well as the environmental conditions. The farmers must be vigilant, ready to act at the perfect moment to achieve the best results. Farmers use a variety of methods to harvest the tuna, including purse seining and line catching. Each method has its own advantages and is chosen based on the specific circumstances and goals of the harvest. Purse seining allows for the capture of large numbers of fish at once, while line catching can be more selective and less stressful for the fish. Once harvested, the tuna are immediately transferred to a processing facility where they are cleaned, graded, and flash frozen to preserve their freshness. This rapid transition from sea to processing ensures that the quality of the meat is maintained, providing consumers with the best possible product. The entire process, from harvesting to freezing, is designed to minimize stress on the fish and maintain the quality of the meat. Gentle handling and swift processing are key to preserving the delicate texture and rich flavor of the bluefin tuna, making it a prized delicacy around the world. Korean tuna farmers adhere to strict quality control standards, ensuring that only the highest grade tuna makes it to market. Each fish is meticulously inspected and graded, with only the best being selected for sale. This commitment to quality is what sets Korean bluefin tuna apart, making it a sought-after choice for discerning consumers. Section 6. Environmental concerns, balancing profit and preservation. While aquaculture offers a more sustainable alternative to wild-caught bluefin tuna, it is not without its environmental impacts. One major concern is the potential for pollution from fish waste and uneaten feed. Korean farmers are addressing this issue through innovative technologies such as recirculating aquaculture systems, or RAS, that filter and reuse water, minimizing discharge into the surrounding environment. Another concern is the escape of farmed tuna into the wild, which can potentially impact wild populations through competition for resources and interbreeding. To mitigate this risk, Korean farmers use secure enclosures and implement strict protocols to prevent escapes. Section 7. Economic boon: tuna farming and community growth. Bluefin tuna farming has brought significant economic benefits to coastal communities in Korea. The industry provides jobs in various sectors including fish farming, processing, transportation, and marketing. This economic activity has revitalized many rural areas, attracting investment and improving infrastructure. The export of Korean bluefin tuna also generates substantial revenue for the country. Korean tuna is highly sought after in international markets, particularly in Japan, where it is considered a delicacy. The success of the Korean tuna farming industry has positioned the country as a leader in sustainable seafood production. Section 8. Bluefin on the horizon: innovation and sustainability. The future of bluefin tuna farming in Korea looks promising. With a blend of tradition and cutting-edge technology, these farms are setting new standards in the aquaculture industry. Korean farmers are at the forefront of innovation, constantly seeking new ways to improve efficiency and reduce environmental impact. They employ state-of-the-art technology to monitor water quality, fish health, and feeding patterns, ensuring optimal conditions for the bluefin tuna. Research and development efforts are focused on developing alternative feed sources, optimizing breeding techniques, and enhancing the overall sustainability of the farming process. Scientists are exploring plant-based and insect-based feeds to replace traditional fish meal, which can be both costly and environmentally taxing. By refining farming practices and adopting eco-friendly equipment, the industry aims to further minimize its ecological footprint. Innovations such as recirculating aquaculture systems and integrated multi-trophic aquaculture are being tested and implemented to create more sustainable farming environments. As the global population continues to grow, the demand for seafood, including bluefin tuna, is expected to rise. This increasing demand puts pressure on wild fish stocks, making sustainable aquaculture practices more crucial than ever. Korean tuna farmers are well positioned to meet this demand while ensuring the long-term sustainability of both the industry and the species. Their innovative approaches not only boost production, but also protect the marine ecosystem. Their commitment to responsible aquaculture practices serves as a model for other nations seeking to develop sustainable seafood solutions for the future. By sharing knowledge and collaborating on global initiatives, these farmers are helping to pave the way for a more sustainable and secure food supply.